In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate through the Salesforce Lightning platform to export reports and manage your data export settings. We'll start right at the very beginning, making sure you know exactly how to move through each step of the process smoothly and efficiently. So let's dive in. To begin with, you'll want to open up your Salesforce Lightning interface and head over to the home page. Once you're there, you'll see the app launcher. This is your gateway to finding all the different apps and tools you might need. Go ahead and click on that. After opening up the app launcher, you should easily be able to spot the reports. Give it a click to open up your reporting options. Now, once you've chosen the report you're interested in, take a look at the report's settings or actions menu. You'll find an arrow that usually points down. That's where you want to click. By doing this, a drop-down menu will appear, providing you with various options. Here you should see an option labeled Export. Click on that to proceed. With the export option now open, it's time to decide on your viewing preference. Choose your export view, which could be anything from details to summary formats, based on how you prefer your data to be organized. Next, you'll need to select the format in which you want this report exported. Common formats include Excel or PDF, depending on what your end use might be. As you continue through the export process, it's essential to select the appropriate encoding for your file. Typically, encoding options like UTF-8 ensure that your data is displayed correctly and can be read without issues in other applications or systems. Once you have configured these settings, click Export to finalize the step. We're not done yet. Let's go further into the data management setup. After successfully exporting your initial report, take a look at the gear icon, often representing settings. Clicking this will allow you to explore more advanced options. Among these options, one essential feature is Open Advanced Setup. Select this option so you can refine your setup even more. Once inside, use the search bar to look up Data Export. This specific feature allows you to back up your data periodically. You can click directly on Data Export to enter its settings. Here, you'll have a couple of choices. You can either perform an export immediately or schedule one for later. If you opt for scheduling, you'll also have to select the file encoding, choose your intended start date and end date, and pick a preferred start time to ensure everything is automated exactly when you want it. Finally, once all your options are configured to your liking, don't forget to hit Save. This ensures all your settings are locked in and ready to go. And that wraps up our guide to exporting reports and configuring data management settings within Salesforce. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.